sign.
Oh, look, there's a fish. Oh, look at this guy. Oh my god, that is crazy.
This is so cool. I want one of those too.
Of course you do. Gary's freaking out. He loves this. He loves it.
Yeah.
Wait, so what do you think of this place?
I wish there was a place like this closer to me.
Yeah.
I would come here and just chill.
Okay.
I love trophy.
What is that thing back there?
It's a bison. It's the second largest one ever harvested in the world. And it's like...
What did they say? They said an F-350 was next to it,
And it looked like a toy car.
truck. Like, what?
I mean, that thing's 6 feet tall from the shoulder to the back.
See if the
Like,
so cool.
you put legs on that thing and it's probably still that tall. Like, look at where the shoulders are.
Oh my god, look at the top.
That's what I'm saying. That thing probably stood 8 to 10 feet tall. Man, that's a monster.
My wildlife, man.
That's probably a true-blooded bison right there.
Yeah, we cheers. Oh my gosh, you guys, they have a trophy room. What all they have in there? A white goat?
They had a mountain goat, they had white-tailed deer, doll sheep, bighorn sheep, all like record-setting.
So are you telling me you want a trophy room?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sure. I mean, I've already got a couple of things to put it in there. You've seen it.
I'm gonna have to get
right
some.
Right now, I just have a trophy goat.
Are you geeking out?
I would love to take you on.
I will fall asleep
But
in the
like-
tree stand, just letting you know.
Like trophy hunting.
I want to go duck hunting. What? I don't know. Quack, 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 quack. I'll reel it out of you later.
See you later.
That was cute. Oh my god, I'm ready for those.
Not me eating the steak off the bone. Ribs.
For sure. Well, that's why you get bone in.
You got it?
Sure. Wow. Not gonna lie, that is really good.
So good. Nice batter.
Oh, the shot is so good. That's a big boy.
Well, these are beef ribs.
Beef baby backs. Stop, that shot looks so good. First thoughts.
Talk about fall off the bone.
Oh, wow. I want all the sauce. Oh my god, this looks so good.
Big old beef rib.
Oh, wow. I don't think I've ever had beef ribs.
No? So good.
Wow. Wait. My mom has a theory. She's like, if you eat ribs in front of somebody, you either really like them that you don't care that you're gonna get stuff in your teeth, or you really don't like them that you don't care.
I hope it's the first one.
It is.
He does hear it's kind of alarm and he gets excited and starts showing me his
If I was gonna get a duck mounted,
Wait, let's show the people. Wow. We can put this photo on there.
we are in beautiful Sun Valley, Idaho. Ketchum, to be more specific.
at Pioneer Saloon,
The coolest bar ever.
which is so sick. But they have an homage to Hemingway.
They have a Hemingway's Corner, and one of the bartenders makes his famous Hemingway daiquiri.
Oh my god, it's
Everyone who works here has been bragging about, so.
literally everyone said this is the best.
Light rum, 1 part grapefruit juice, 1 part lime juice, Swiss cheese, and salt. Before, which we don't have.
Okay.
So I put about a teaspoon of that in a shaker, and then I spider wet the glass with it, drop a cherry in, lime the rim, and then shake the shit out of it and put the ice in the cup.
That's beautiful.
Oh my god, that's good.
Yeah.
A daiquiri without all the ice and the slushy part, which is so tasty and good. The cherry is incredible. I don't even like cherries, and that's a good. Yeah, it's a good punch.
Very smooth.
Phenomenal.
Dude, it's
That
really
was
good.
great. No wonder people rave
Super
about
smooth.
this.